Welcome, learners. Today we'll read The Fox and the Grapes, Level 1 Story for Beginners. I'll also teach you easy vocabulary with two simple example sentences. Let's enjoy the story and learn English together. Story 1: The Fox and the Grapes. One hot day, a fox was walking through a forest. He was very hungry and thirsty. As he walked, he saw a grapevine. The vine was full of big, juicy purple grapes. The grapes looked fresh and sweet. The fox's mouth watered. He wanted to eat the grapes. He jumped to reach them. But the grapes were too high. He tried again and again. He leapt higher each time, but the grapes were still out of reach. The fox felt tired. He sat under the tree for a while. He looked up at the grapes. They were shining in the sunlight. He wished he could eat them, but no matter how hard he tried, he could not get them. At last, the fox stood up. He looked at the grapes again. Then he said, "These grapes are probably sour. I don't want them." Saying this, the fox walked away slowly. The fox was actually sad. He wanted the grapes very much, but he could not admit his failure. Moral: it is easy to say bad things about what you cannot have. Now let's learn the key vocabulary from the story, along with two simple example sentences for each word. 1. Hungry, feeling the need to eat food. Example 1. I am very hungry now. Example 2. The child was hungry after school. 2. Thirsty, feeling the need to drink. Example 1. I am thirsty, give me some water. Example 2. He felt thirsty after running. 3. Vine, a plant that climbs and has fruit. Example 1. Grapes grow on a vine. Example 2. The vine is full of green leaves. 4. Juicy, full of juice. Example 1. This mango is very juicy. Example 2. I like juicy fruits. 5. Tired, feeling the need to rest. Example 1. She was tired after walking. Example 2. I feel tired in the evening. 6. Sour, having a sharp, tangy taste. Example 1. The lemon is sour. Example 2. The grapes were sour. Great job, learners. You've just finished The Fox and the Grapes, Level 1 Story for Beginners. I hope the story and vocabulary helped you learn something new today. Tell me in the comments, what did you learn from this story? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy English stories.